These are my notes. My audience members. As global warming is on the rise, we believe the world getting hotter is our only threat. We couldn't be further from the truth. For the next few minutes, we will be discussing the Burmese python, once a pet, now an invasive species. First, let's understand what an invasive species is. The USDA defines invasive species as plants, animals, or other living organisms that are introduced to an environment that they do not belong. I know what you're thinking. Aren't the Burmese pythons considered as pets? The short answer is yes. These reptiles have been known to be kept as pets, but it is because the neglect from other owners. It is because the neglect from the owner also being released to an environment that they don't belong to, which has made them invasive species. The population has spiraled upward in the last decade. This is a major problem. It's disrupting the natural balance of nature. Since the reptiles have inhabited Florida, bobcats have decreased 87.5%. The good news is Florida is taking steps to stop the spread of these invasive species. The first step is teaching people how to distinguish the difference between those invasive versus native reptiles. What once was considered a docile pet has now become a major issue. Even though the population has increased, thankfully, only inhabits in Florida. In conclusion, though the Burmese python is not harmful to humans, it is still a danger in the wild. With the small steps taken, Florida finally sees progress. This small step will make a big difference.